This is the tutorial, the formula excels about the aggregate formula. So the formula of aggregate on Microsoft Excel can be used if there's data that you want to count of, or there are some error data or some hidden data on your worksheets and etc, and we will learn about it. And as usual, we have a data like this month, motorcycle, area, and sale. Okay, it's from January until March. And then motorcycles type from Honda, Yamaha, Kawasaki, and area, and sale. And there's about an error data you can see on your screen. It's hashtag ref on sale of Kawasaki in Jakarta, and sometimes you find an A and extracts, so you cannot use the formula of sum to count for all this. Okay, so we will try it with some data or formulas. So the result will be error because there is a data found as an error data on cells D7. To solve this problem, we can use the formula of aggregate equal to sign aggregate and open the bracket and functions of num. Okay, average, count, marks, mean, product, sum, force, and etc. It is based on your need here, because we want to use the sum. The code will be 9. Okay, the code of sum formula is 9 because we will use the sum formula. Just use the function number, that's 9. It's about sum from aggregate options, and the choices of some. Okay, it's what choices from Excel. If you want to ignore nested subtotal and aggregate functions, ignore hidden rows, nested subtotal and aggregate functions, ignore error values, nested subtotal and aggregate functions, ignore nothing, ignore hidden rows, ignore error values, or ignore hidden rows and error values. There are those are some choices from Microsoft Excel for you if you want to use the aggregate formula. Okay, for example, if there's an error, you just use the ignore error values, or if there's a hidden rows, you can also use this formula. So I think that often used, the code is number 7, ignore hidden rows and error values. So there are two rules about the ignoring the hidden rows and also error values. Okay, that's automatically be done by Microsoft Excel after you choose here some choices here, some options here. Okay, there are subtotal aggregate functions, so we will use the code of number 7 and then comma and array table j, which formula, which data that we want to count. Okay, data from D2 until D13, and close the brackets. Okay, so before we click start, 9 is the code from aggregate to sum formulas, and then 7 to ignore hidden rows and error values. And after you make sure that your formula is completed, just click enter and the total will appear like this. Okay, That's the subtotal of data from the D2 until D13. Okay, we will try to add manually like this, or we will try to count manually like this without using aggregate. So it's very cool features if you want to hide one of data on your tables here. For example, if you want to hide it, okay, hide, okay, okay, the total will change, okay, automatically if you hide some rows here, because the aggregate and sum formulas will only be used to count the data that appears on the table, not a hidden rows or hidden data here. So if you, for example, if you want to do filtering, okay, just to activate the features of filter, okay, and we will only add, okay, the data only in Jakarta, okay. So after we filter about it, the Jakarta areas from the cells, so the result will also be changed automatically without typing one by one or manually. That's very interesting features of Microsoft Excel because it can be used automatically by using some filtering. That's a tutorial on how to use the aggregate formulas for Microsoft Excel. Hopefully this might be useful. See you soon and bye bye.